Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox something really awesome. And this one is from one of my friend Dinesh Tanwar. So he gifted me this, which is this one. So this one is a Volkswagen Baja bag, and this one is by Hotwheels, and this one is from their Baja Blazer series. And this one is a treasure hunt in this specific uh, box. I don't know, sorry, case. I don't know if it is P case or it's not P case. I think this one is from Q case if I'm not wrong. So he bought it for MRP actually. So he's really generous to give this to me as a gift. I'm really thankful to him. Thank you so much, Dinesh, for giving me this. So I'm just going to unbox this one and see how this one looks. So I'm actually excited to unbox this one. So let's do it. I don't want to damage the card, so bear with me guys. Okay, here it is. So we all like Volkswagen for one or other reason. At least I like Volkswagen, specifically the Beetle one. So this one is actually the Beetle, they made it as a Baja bag. So the initial impressions of this particular casting, this looks so beautiful and I don't see any flaws here. And it looks really awesome in hand. I am planning to replace something here with this one. Let's see. So it has some great detailing to it. So it has this treasure hunt logo here. So I wish Hot Wheels actually makes all the casting like this instead of being so stupid about rest of the things. So the logo placement is actually different because usually the Volkswagen Beetle usually has the logo here, the front nose. It has some awesome interior detailing to it, especially the color combination here, the contrast here, which is really great. They so that both the body actually pops and the interior actually also pops. And it has some detailing on the top as well, with this jerry can and everything. And this one looks really cool. I think this one is exhaust if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it looks really cool. And here is the chassis. So if you guys are wondering, this is just a main line, and the body is actually made of metal, this part alone. And this entire piece is actually the entire chassis, including the interior, is actually made of plastic. So they could have just added some headlight details to here, headlight, some kind of paint. So but without that as well, this casting looks so beautiful. I really like this one. Again, thank you so much, Dinesh. I really didn't expect this from you at that point of time, but he just gave this to me. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Wow, that is actually very smooth. That is so smooth and so fast. So it does have some wheel wobble to it, especially on the rear wheel, but it is tolerable because it's actually running very smooth and very fast. So out of all the treasure hunts, the basic ones I'm talking about, this one is one of the coolest one which we have. So rest of the treasure hunts are okay, but this one is really awesome. The paint job is really nice. I don't see any flaws in the paint job. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.